Po sa inyo lahat dyan. Nandito na po kami sa Genting Cruise. Hindi pa ako hindi ako nag-vlog kanina kasi masyadong madaming tao nagapila. So, ito pong Genting Cruise ay going to Malaysia. So, parang 3 days ata, 2 nights. So, ito yung room accommodations with S. Ano ba to? Deluxe room? Something? Ano tong room?
Balcony deluxe.
Balcony deluxe. So, ito yung may queen size bed or king size bed ba to? Tapos may couch, may TV na okay na. May morning something dito. Tapos dito naman yung CR. Hindi siya ganun kalaki pero pwede na. Diba? Kasi nasa cruise naman eh. So yun, may shower. So yun muna. Kasi mamaya maglibot kami dito sa Genting Cruise. Going kami now mag-lunch. Hindi pa nakalayag. Explore na natin ang Genting Cruise. Okay, nasunod tayo dito sa Grand Admiral Club. I don't know ano meron dito.
Just wave your hands.
Ay, pangbata. Ito yung The Palace. Medyo pang ata to. Pang mga VIP. So dito naman meron mga ping pong, climbing goal, mini goal, rope courses. So ito. Kaya tayo to check. Medyo basa siya dito kasi dito rin dumadaan yung para sa mga swimming area. Naka gear at ayoko rin sumali sa mga activities dito. Para makita nyo lang kung anong meron dito. Uy, pickleball. May basketball din dito. Pero converted to pickleball. Pwede kayo kung gusto nyo adventurous kayo dyan. Sabit-sabit. Yan. Let us continue our journey in exploring the Genting Cruise. Ito naman sa 7th floor ang Zodiac. So parang theater siya. Tingnan nyo. Happy hour home party. Parang mga club pala to. So yun. Zodiac. May casino din and all. Dito sa cruise parang may touch radio sa mga information kung ano yung gusto nyo malaman. Sinasabi kung saan pupunta, mga souvenirs, mga ganyan. Meron rin sila dito Silk Road Karaoke and Chinese Restaurant. Dito yan sa 6th floor. Ito yung itsura niya, no? Yan. So, I think ano ba meron dito sa 6th floor? May mga activities dito din, no? May red carpet para mamaya. Then, dito pala ang souvenir mart. Dito yung parang reception. Nandito pala ang reception area sa 6th floor. Kanina kasi kami nandito, di ko nga alam kung 6th floor ba yun or what. Dito yung nagakuha ng cruise. So tayo ulit sa coffee shop. Where do we pass? Lobby Cafe. Nandun, ang daming tao sa Lobby Cafe, babe.
They're waiting for the event here, love.
Wait.
Mihailo from Sweden.
So today is our excursion day. So bababa kami ng barko today. So para makita isang train. So, yan o. I-vlog ko yun mamaya guys ha. Para makita nyo rin kung ano yung meron doon. Dito kami ngayon. Tinitingnan yung orientation ng excursion. So, sinasabi nila dito ano-ano yung mga pwedeng gawin at saan pupunta.
Inventory operation. That means we're gonna transfer you in this motorboat to the shore.
Oh, mag-transfer pa daw kami sa maliit na boat.
And repair and eat here at the
Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to Penang. I am your tour guide for 6 hours. And then
Okay.
Masila niya, te.
Going sa kain something. Hintayin namin yung bus.
yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to this, the streets of harmony. That is the streets with 4 religions. Please look at the mess, the Muslim. And then onto your right hand side. Onto your right hand side. This is the Indian mosque. Indian temple. So it's Hinduism. And then we go a little bit further down. Then that is the Guanyin temple, the Chinese temple. And then further up to the end, and then is the St. George Church, the Christianity. This is the oldest functioning temple built in the island in the year 1800. 1800. The St. George Church was built in 1818. 1818. Now, area was actually a European area during the colonial time. Our boat, our ship is just right in front of us, very near already. So we are going to turn because of harmony. Secondly, we cannot stop at the opposite side when you cross the road where the cars are coming. It's dangerous. So we stop right in front of the toilet. And then that is the point where we wait there. Fix the time we wait there. Huh? So you won't get lost. These are all heritage areas. And then is also the early settlement of the Chinese and as well as the Indian. So have you heard about the Little India? That is on your left hand side. These are Little India. On the right hand side, you see the Indians are selling flowers. And then further down, then that is the Muslim area. This is Indian. These are all Southern Indians. Indian Muslim. They are major in money exchange. Money exchange and jewelry. Jewelry as well.
Doon daw. Doon daw. Yan ang tour guide namin.
Pininturahan daw yun ng European.
Damn hot.
Street. We call it Armenia Street. The Chinese Revolution it started here. No, in China, you know, in here.
F1.
Noon tayo mag-shopping.
Nice. Uy. Marami siyang umbrella hanggang sa dulo talaga. Continue pag sa paghanap ng bike. So bali may 15 minutes na lang kami kasi nag-stop over pa para magbili ng tsokolate. So saan kaya yung bike? Pero okay lang, kasama man namin ang tour guide. So okay lang. Medyo traffic. Diyan na po yung picture ng bike. Nandito lang pala ang picture ng bike. Sige. Kailangan namin ng picture sa bike. Picture sa bike.
Damn, that is a Chinese.
Okay, nandito na naman kami sa temple. Anong name ka ng temple na ito? Forgot. So, there's a choice. You want to walk or take the lift. Okay. Nandito kami sa Baguio for
Mamaya, change dito naman
4 ringgit and nag-lift kami kanina 6 ringgit. 6. So hindi kami naglakad kasi may option kayo maglakad going doon, no? Yun na yung stairs. I don't know. So ito, baligtad kami kasi hindi kami facing sa harap. So klaro yung city dito. So nice. Kala ko malayo. Budol area na naman, ha? Budol area.
Doon tayo sa meeting mark, ha? Doon tayo.
Pagoda. Hindi na kami umakyat doon, okay? Doon, no? Doon. Hindi na kami umakyat dyan. So, Kasi may bayad 6 ringgit dyan mga kyan. So, pero sige lang. Baka next time. See, we're press. Wait, saan ba yun? Ito. Not that one. Oh, dito pala, correction dito. Hindi na kami nag-pay ng 6 ringgit just to go up there. Yan yung ano.
Pagoda. Pagoda.
Yeah, big. See? Medyo malayo siya konti. So mag-akyat pa yan ng lift dyan, 6 ringgit. So medyo dito na ata mag-ending tour sa temple na to. So klaro pala dito ang city ng Penang. By the way, nandito kami sa Penang, Malaysia. So continue on with the excursion. Local products. Ano kaya binibenta dito? Sama na kami sa tour. Many types of oil.
Dito.
May ginseng.
Parsay ay white, no, not white.
Nutmeg. I think ito na yung last stop ng excursion namin. No?
Shopping time!
Shopping time no, pero parang nagbili naman kanina. So, I don't know kung anong meron dito. Siguro same lang siguro sa Cebu or Manila. Okay, we're back sa ship at around probably mga 4:30 yata yun. So, ito po yung view ng ship namin dito sa Penang. So, later on the night, mag-go na kami going Malacca. So, ito.